Hey there, beauty aficionados! Are you tired of shelling out big bucks for fancy skincare and hair products? Well, buckle up because today on Health Spiffy, we're unveiling the top 10 effective remedies for hair and skin beauty that can be found right in the comfort of your own home. Get ready to discover the natural wonders hiding in your kitchen cabinets and pantry shelves. Let's dive straight into the treasure trove of beauty remedies that your home has to offer. From soothing skin treatments to nourishing hair masks, we've got you covered with these simple yet powerful solutions. First up on our list is honey, nature's golden elixir. Not only is it a delicious addition to your tea, but it's also packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that can work wonders for your skin. Simply apply a thin layer of honey to your face for a hydrating and clarifying mask that leaves your skin glowing. Next, let's talk about the humble avocado. This creamy fruit isn't just for guacamole. It's also a powerhouse of vitamins and fatty acids that can nourish and moisturize your hair. Mash up a ripe avocado and massage it into your hair from root to tip for a deep conditioning treatment that will leave your locks silky smooth. Moving on to another kitchen staple, we have coconut oil. This versatile oil is a favorite among beauty enthusiasts for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Use it as a gentle makeup remover, a hydrating body lotion, or a nourishing hair treatment. The possibilities are endless with this tropical treasure. Now, let's not forget about the soothing powers of oatmeal. Whether you're dealing with dry, itchy skin or a pesky sunburn, oatmeal can come to the rescue. Simply grind up some oats into a fine powder, mix it with water to form a paste, and apply it to the affected area for instant relief. Ah, the humble cucumber. Not just for garnishing your salads, this crisp vegetable also has cooling and hydrating properties that make it a go-to ingredient for tired eyes. Place slices of cucumber over your closed eyelids for a refreshing spa-like experience that reduces puffiness and dark circles. Moving on to another kitchen hero, we have olive oil. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, olive oil is a fantastic moisturizer for both your skin and hair. Dab a small amount onto dry patches of skin or use it as a pre-shampoo treatment to revive dull and damaged hair. Let's not overlook the magical properties of tea tree oil. Known for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, this essential oil is a must-have for combating acne and soothing irritated skin. Dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil and apply it to blemishes for a natural spot treatment. Now, who could forget about the refreshing scent of peppermint? Not only does it wake up your senses, but it also has cooling properties that can soothe itchy scalp and promote hair growth. Add a few drops of peppermint oil to your shampoo or dilute it with water for a refreshing scalp spray. Let's take a moment to appreciate the healing powers of aloe vera. This succulent plant is a skincare superhero, known for its soothing and hydrating properties. Simply slice open a leaf and apply the gel directly to sunburns, cuts, or irritated skin for instant relief. Last but certainly not least, we have the versatile baking soda. This pantry staple isn't just for baking. It also doubles as a gentle exfoliant and odor neutralizer. Mix it with water to create a paste and use it as a facial scrub or add it to your bath for a relaxing detox soak. And there you have it, folks. 10 effective remedies for hair and skin beauty that can be found right in your own home. So next time you're looking to pamper yourself, skip the pricey spa treatments and head to your kitchen instead. Your skin and hair will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Health Spiffy, your go-to source for all things beauty and wellness. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous.